Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable post-chat survey here in LiveChat. Right, so first up, go ahead over to the bottom left, click on Settings. Okay, click on it, and once done, go ahead over to Forms. Okay, click on it, as you can see here, we have post-chat form. Just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that this one or this toggle is enabled. Okay, and after that, don't forget to hit on the save button right here at the very bottom. All right, and once that's done, you can now then go ahead and change the question or the label. Okay, right here in the right panel is the preview. And by the way, if you don't want it to be required, just click on this checkbox. As you can see, the required icon is now gone, or the asterisk. All right, and that's basically it. You can now then go ahead and add in more answers if you want to, like maybe save changes like so. And as you can see here, it's been changed. All right, chat rating right here, the question, how you rate this chat. It's fine. You can go ahead and add in the thank you message. Okay, and if you want to as well, you could add in some links. All right, add in more elements if you want to, like more radio button or a drop down. Okay, or even checkbox right here. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.